And then I was like, wait, she has a blue one. I was like, I think there was blue in the dress. I'm like, please let there be blue in the dress.
That's awesome.
Okay. Oh my God, I was recording the whole time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a 15-minute challenge. Yes, I said 15 minutes to try to glam up Michelle. To try to glam up Michelle and see if I can beat the time. So I'm crossing my fingers.
I'm gonna be in charge of the time.
Yes. So I'm crossing my fingers that I'm able to do it, because we all know how my 5-minute challenge went. The link is down below in case you've never seen the video. So let's get this started. So here's the face that we are working with. This is the canvas. Ta-da! First, I'm gonna put all the stuff that I need out first, so then that way I can just jump right into it. Michelle, get the timer, put 15 minutes.
If you're wondering what I'm doing in the background, I'm doing Lego.
Yeah, she's doing Legos. Oh my God, now I feel so nervous. Are you gonna start this timer now?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, Michelle, look over here. Okay. Okay, oh my God, this thing doesn't want to open. Oh God. There you go. Jeez.
Don't be nervous. You got this. This is not your first.
Right.
Is it the same color, or am I still got my summer tan going
I
on?
feel like it's not, but I'll be able to fix this. It's a little bit light for my liking, but you're not gonna look like a ghost. Okay. Okay. Look this way towards me.
I was like,
No, your whole body.
Hey,
Your
my
whole
hair.
body. Your whole body.
13 minutes left.
13 minutes. I haven't even done your face yet. Hold on. I got this. I'm not gonna fail at this. It's not happening. Michelle got good skin, so.
Well, whenever you could go back after you're done.
Oh, we're doing this live. Okay, go like this. Okay, foundation on. And next is a concealer. I need you to look up. Let's cover this. Okay, without poking her eye out.
yeah, I'm gonna need those later.
Look up. Beating her face up right now. Okay. Does that help? What, the concealer?
No,
I
like
almost
opening my mouth, like.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
That's what happens when you do makeup, that you catch yourself doing those craziest faces. It happened to me when I first started doing this. All right,
How good is it?
guys, I will list down below all the stuff that I use on her face, because Lord knows I don't got time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay. It's stuff that you've seen me wear, and Michelle brought some of her own stuff.
Ooh,
We're going.
That smells good.
This is CoverGirl, and this is a mineral powder, so it's gonna give your face a very glowy look. This is good when you don't even have to apply foundation. You can just apply this alone as some mascara and lip gloss, and you're good to go.
I like it. I like stuff like that.
All right, so let's apply just a little bit of the bronze.
You have 11 more
Oh,
minutes.
Jesus. The wheel. Okay, so we're applying this to warm up her face. Now, Michelle already has a tan, but it's fine.
And no, I don't go tanning.
I know, right?
Everybody assumes, do you tan? No, I don't.
This is called, she's Puerto Rican.
Yep. Ooh, somebody's jamming over there.
Anyways, and we move this over to the side.
I'm gonna put some blush. Okay. And that's what I want to do. Where is?
A lot of people like my nose.
I don't know why I was talking like that.
Okay, Cupid's bow. Yes.
9 more minutes.
Okay.
Not too shabby.
Snatch these eyebrows.
To the same eye lady. I've been going to the same eyebrow.
I think you say
lady.
eyeball first. I'm like, you're not fixing the situation.
I'm trying to talk slow because I tend to mess up. I've been going to her since I was 16 years old.
And she jacked up your eyebrows. That's what happened to me.
No.
Oh, I thought that's what you were gonna say.
No. I moved to Vernon and I was like an hour away from her. I still drove to her.
You know what that's called, people? Loyalty.
So Barbie nails in Berlin, those are my eyebrows.
Yay!
Okay, next.
You have 7 more minutes.
All right, we got this.
7 or 10?
7.
Nice. Oh man, okay.
Happens all the
Happens
time.
all the time. I don't know what it is. It's hard for me to like
When someone's all
stay
up in your
focused
face.
and all up in it. I'm like,
My sister does that noise. Okay, look up. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow underneath your eyes. All right, Michelle, I think that's it. And then just applying like a good lipstick, and you're good to go. You want to go with this, or you want to try one of my lipsticks?
whatever you want to do. How we looking on time?
Oh yes! And guess what? I beat that time. Woo woo! Guess who got this challenge done? She stopped 4 minutes. Awesome sauce.
You look good.
Yeah, look at that. Close up.
So that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit like, comment down below, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified when we upload a video. Follow us on all the social medias. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, and on Facebook.
Yes,
And
sir.
also message us and give us ideas of what videos you wish for us to do. So until next time, guys, bye.
Bye.
Mwah.